Hey everybody, we're here at 4205 Stanwood Avenue. This is a view of the living room here. We extended the living room, took out the porch, the enclosed porch, made it all living room, enclosed it, insulated it, heads into the dining room. We've got luxury vinyl plank throughout. Everything's updated, everything's renewed. This house is gorgeous. Look at this granite sink, the nice black granite. Some inlays, cabinets above the sink, door to the backyard right out of here, wine area, whatever you want to do this, your prep area, plenty of room for prep over here, plus cabinets galore, cabinets above the fridge, French door fridge. This is black stainless steel touchless, folks. Okay, more cabinets, more counters, and a walk-in pantry with wooden shelves all the way up and down. Next, we're going to pop over, still on the first floor, we're going to pop over to the owner's suite. Owner's suite, plenty of room for a bed here. Put your bed here. TV right here. A little sitting area over here. Huge walk-in closet here. You can design this any way you want to. Plenty of light and your own ensuite bathroom. And the toilet that's open. Ensuite bathroom, upgraded tile, luxury vanity sink, mirrored cabinets, counters on the wall, and then an extra full bathroom with a bathtub. As everybody says, I need to have a bathtub. Heading down into the basement. Pop open the light, pop on the lights here. Okay, rep room, bedroom, whatever you want this room to be. And check down the bottom here. It's this little guy. Over here, we have to be a real bedroom. Door, window, and your own private bathroom. Full shower, sink, toilet, everything you need here. Self-contained little bedroom right here in the basement. Right off the family room, even a back entrance, if you so desire. Popping into the utility room. Things painted black. We've got space for your washer dryer. New HVAC, water heater, everything brand new, ready to go. Now we're heading upstairs, luxury vinyl all the way up. And on the stairs. To the top, split into two bedrooms. Ceiling fans, lights, top. Worry about that. Nice big closet. Little reading nook area. Plenty of light and windows. The next bedroom. Plenty of ceiling height here. It does come down a little bit, but you can get pretty close to it. And another little nook over here. So great space for whoever you want to put up here. Here's your scene in the backyard. Nice tree giving you plenty of shade in the backyard. New HVAC system. Railed steps coming down. Driveway extends back here. So you've got driveway enough for about 4 cars. Maybe a 5th one here. Parking pad for 2. You could easily have 8 to 10 cars here. 2-car garage. Nice neighbors. Everything in good shape. Ready to go.